Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on or off your Bumble notification. First of all, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, tap on the gear icon which is at upper right corner. Here, scroll down until you find notification settings. Click on it and you can manage notifications from here. You can see the new messages option. Click on it and here toggle these switches off. After toggling off, you won't get the push notification, in-app notification or any emails. Back it from here and you can see match notification. If you click on new admirers and toggle these off, you won't get any notification from admirers. Also from new matches, simply toggle this off. And expiring matches. Toggling off won't give you any notification. To enable it, you can simply toggle this on here by simply tapping on it. Now, you can see profile notification, which is top profile tips. Turning off this notification means you will not be notified of tips and tricks for maximizing your Bumble experience. To enable it, simply click on it. After that, other notifications like Bumble events, the good stuff, research and surveys, you can also manually turn it off or on from here. So, that is how you can turn on or off notifications in Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.